I love theater. I grew up in it. And I love sharing it with my students, and I love to see them light up and become alive on the stage. I had a student who, for almost the first half of the term in an acting class, sat with her arms folded against her chest. She came to every class. She watched every scene. When I said, "Do you want to get up on the stage?" she said, "No." And I kept saying over and over again, this is an acting class. In an acting class, you have to get up on the stage. "No, I'm going to sit here and be audience." So she said, "Okay." And she got up on the stage and she did a scene. We were improvising. And she did a scene and she got a laugh. I couldn't get her off the stage. Every time I said, "Is there a volunteer?" her hand was up. "Can I do that? Can I do that? I want to be in this scene. I want to be in that scene." And that was a wonderful moment for me. I did my first show when I was a year old. I acted from a year old till 24. At 24, I made this wonderful discovery that I really didn't like to perform. I loved to rehearse. So I started to direct, and from directing, I became a teacher.